Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to set up personal voice on iPhone 16. Let's begin. So all you want to do is you want to go to settings, then you want to go to accessibility. In here you want to scroll all the way down, and under speech you can find personal voice. In here you can choose basically predetermined voices. So for example, you can click here, but you will need to input your current passcode. And here you can basically change the name and here the preview.
This is Simon's voice.
Or we can also create new one. As you can see here is another voice that was created before.
This is me.
And we can also create our own personal voice. But we'll also need to input the password. But as you can see, now we'll have to record ourselves, which might take a lot, so I'm not going to do that. But basically that's all you need to do. And your personal voice is now ready to use. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.